Hello and welcome again. On today's episode of Dine In, I'm making buffalo chicken nuggets. Now, in many restaurants, they call these boneless wings, and honestly, I don't know why. Unlike wings, these are made from chicken breast and have a thick, crunchy breading. Nevertheless, there's some good techniques to be demonstrated here, so let's get to it. As with any fried food, the most important part is the batter. We have to achieve an even coating over the entire surface area without clumps of just fried flour. One of the best ways to accomplish this is by doing a double dredge. That means 2 wet elements and 2 dry elements. As you can see, I've set up 2 separate plates with plain all-purpose flour and seasoned breadcrumbs. That covers the dry part. Now the chicken is naturally wet, so all I need is 1 egg to complete the puzzle. Also, I wouldn't fuss too much about how you season the chicken. Most of the flavor is going to come from the buffalo sauce anyway. In this case, I just sprinkled some salt, pepper, and smoked paprika over the 2-inch boneless breast pieces. Now you may be wondering why the need for all this crisscross coordination. Isn't flour alone good enough? Of course it is. You can get a perfectly crispy, lighter batter without the egg and breadcrumbs. Doing it this way, however, will give a restaurant-style product. The sequence is chicken, flour, egg wash, breadcrumbs. The flour binds to the moisture on the chicken and creates a reliable, even platform. The egg then binds to the flour and provides a thick, sticky layer to pick up the maximum amount of breadcrumbs. This is what's going to ensure the batter gets super crunchy and doesn't fall off. You'll also notice I'm trying to keep my right hand for the dry side and my left hand for the wet work. That makes a huge difference in reducing the amount of flour that gets stuck to my fingers in the process. I also try not to pour out too much breadcrumbs at once. Topping up the plate as you go will cut down a lot on the wastage. Once that's done, start heating a pot of vegetable oil to about 300 degrees maximum. Breadcrumbs burn very easily, so you really don't want to go any higher than that. Place the pieces gently away from you, one at a time to reduce splatter, and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. As long as the nuggets are no thicker than an inch, 3 minutes should be adequate to cook the chicken all the way through with a golden brown exterior. There's one more thing I decided to show you. I recently purchased this stainless steel splatter screen. It has a wide flat surface which lays steadily over most pots, and it does a really good job at containing the majority of splatter. Anything to reduce the amount of blistering oil missiles coming out of here is a plus for me. With all the nuggets transferred to a wide bowl, it's time to add the sauce. I suppose if you are so inclined, you could make a buffalo sauce from scratch, but I'm not. This is a bottle of Frank's Red Hot straight from the grocery. A couple tablespoons should do, and then toss it all together. Keep in mind, the minute any sauce hits breading, it immediately starts getting softer, so I recommend tossing it in as close to serving as possible to preserve that crispiness. And that's it really, a steamy, spicy batch of vinegary chicken nuggets. This is one of the pinnacles of Americana junk food, and though there's nothing healthy about it, we all still love it. So I hope you give this one a try, and until next time, have a good night and keep safe.